We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to my last analysis, after we see the breakout of 0.104, I mentioned we were expecting to see the correction, and this is what we get. Now we want to see what's the next. Anyway, for those traders, they get the trade within this move. Since we mentioned at least move or stop loss to break even, and right now they need to book some profit. Either move their stop loss to 0.099 or 0.104 because we need to book some profit. Now we want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. Anyway, if we refer to daily chart, as what we discussed in my last analysis, we need to, if we're looking for continuation, we need to price break the enter this correction, the zone. We're talking about the zone for the previous correction. That means we need to see the price at least tag 0.12. All right. Anyway, still we're looking for continuation, and the best thing is if I move to forward chart, because we don't need these lines anymore. First, we remove it. All right. Now, the only thing is we're looking for continuation. The only thing is we want to see whether the first level we want us to see the breakout of 0.1105, because at that time we can see the price enter this correction, the zone for this correction. All right. And most important things, we need to see breakout of 0.12 following by 0.129. If the price break this zone, then we can look for continuation. But as long as the price haven't break 0.1105, we hope that if this one turn to expanding flat. That's why we need to see the price at least break 0.12. And this is where we can look for continuation, because at this point, still we can look at this one as a correction relative to this. And I don't mean the price is going to drop. The only things from now, if he wants to look for buy, we need to wait and get the proper trade set up for continuation. And that's why we need to manage the trades, or at least book some profit within this move in case the price cannot continue. All right. And the best thing is if this one turned to deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. That's why we're looking to see the breakout of 0.1105. The next level we can look for is 0.12, following by 0.129 at this level at this time. All right. But as you can see, based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup, and we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, when we put the zero, this line as 0.1105, but right now what I'm thinking to adjust this one and I put above the stop, right, which is somewhere around 0.112. All right, since we see the price tag the previous level, but it couldn't break. And right now we can look at this one as a correction. Even we can look at this one as a three ways. But the reasons I mentioned, we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction, because if this one turn to deeper correction, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy. Because if we wants to look for buy right now, either we put our entry above here at 0.11 or at 0.112. And what we want the price sharply break and continue. And the next level we're looking for is 0.12, which is 12 cents. But how about if the price tag with a divergence and start to drop or either deeper correction? That's why if you wants to look for buy by having entry above the top, we need to be really careful. But what I prefer, if this one turned to deeper correction, again, it depends on the traders and the strategy they use. But again, with the breakout of 0.112, the next level, which most important I'm looking for, is 0.12. And if there is a breakout of the 12 cent, then the next one is somewhere around 0.129, which is a 13 cent. We need to see the breakout of this zone if we want to look for continuation. And if the price couldn't break this zone or tag 0.12, that means there is a continuation as a corrective. This is where we need to be quite careful. May this one turn to a more complex correction. All right. Anyway, still we can look for continuation. The best things is if this one turn to deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. In this case, as I explained earlier, for those traders, they get the trade within this move, at least they should book some profit. And right now we're looking at this one. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.